Hello, my name is Celeste. Valentine was a Roman physician turned priest who became very popular at the time of Claudius. This emperor decided to prohibit the celebration of marriages for Jew people since they considered that men who did not have families were better soldiers because they did not have some maintenance. But Valentine saw that this decree was unfair and defied the emperor secretly celebrating marriages for crows who were in love. His action reached years of Claudius and Valentine enjoyed grand presence in Rome. The emperor summoned into the place, so the paintings took advantage of the moment to proselyte for Christianity. Every February 14th, Saint Valentine, patron saint of lovers, is remembered according to tradition. During the persecution Christian in the first centuries, the saint risked his life to unite couples in marriage. It is for this reason that Valentine is usually related to the love of couple. On February 14, lovers sent postcards because, according to medieval belief from England and France, on that day, that is in the middle of the second month of the year, either birds caused three panther.